this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Hey, so I haven't done this in years. Just joking. But yeah, today is pretty much a nice day. It's sunny outside. Auntie wants to go to the beach, so I might be going to the beach today. Haven't been to the beach in a while. Yeah, my hair needs to be cut, as you can see. It's a lot of hair there, but yeah, hopefully I can get my hair cut, shave up, look nice again, and just enjoy myself. But I just want to say Happy New Year, and I hope the Christmas season was good for you. So welcome back to J Vlogs. Let's do it. Alright, so beach flex right now. We're at the beach. Hunting right now. Yeah, head out. I think Joey did not come too. I'm there right today.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
See the line? So me and Auntie there at the beach. Alright. Enjoying the holiday. Hey, my man, come.
Look at Mark. Mark is at the beach. Where did he go? Next time Mark about to this. Beach flex. Back at swim like say. Back show them how you can swim, because I can't swim. Water no go past my knee. Okay. Red big swimmer. Watch out now. This one is G-rated.
Contemporary music. This is the waterproof.
Water break. Trying to make it jump in our water. Trying to make it jump out.
My whole flats. Watch out. Well, I quick zoom in.
Come on, what's boogie board? Want me to do your everything? Want me out?
Yeah, keep it steady. Alright, beach was good. So we're heading home now. And thing. But it is nice, we enjoy it. Nice little evening and thing. So it was good, it was worth it. Holiday is nice.
If I find my way home, yeah. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me. Wouldn't it be crazy? But you still amaze me.